Electricians, plumbers, and HVAC contractors wanted a fast and portable metal cutting solution. Makita answered with the 18-volt lithium-ion metal cutting saw. It's available as a kit or as a bare tool. Delivers versatility, speed, and performance in a compact size. Engineered for cutting pipe, threaded rod, and unistrut, as well as conduit, square tubing, and more. The Makita-built motor produces 3,600 RPM for faster cutting. It has a 30-tooth carbide tip blade. And unlike abrasive blades, carbide tip blades are engineered to cut spark-free. It weighs only 5.7 pounds and has an LED light. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.